So today what we're going to see is that we have the semantic rules of S is of the form if open bracket C close bracket and S1, and the semantic rules are given here, these four rules, and we are going to convert this into semantic actions. If you want to see how these semantic rules were generated, you watch my earlier video on this particular creation of semantic rules. Now let's move on to the way in which you're going to make the semantic actions. As given here, there are three attributes for C. They are true, false, and code, and two attributes for S that are next and code. Now, first we have to know which ones are inherited and which ones are synthesized. As you see here, a C is having two inherited attributes and one synthesized, and S is having one inherited attribute and one synthesized attribute. So this is my semantic production rule. So S is of the form if open bracket C close bracket and S1. First you're going to write it down like this: S if open bracket C close bracket S1. Now when you're writing the semantic actions, you're going to take the rules which are given here. You're going to take these four rules and you're going to plug it in a particular place. Now if you look at the attribute C dot true, it is actually an inherited attribute. So it has to be written before C in the right hand side. So you're writing C is of dot true is equal to L1, and where L1 is a new label, which you're going to write it here like this. Now false is again an attribute of C, which is an inherited attribute. Hence you're going to write it before C is written in the right hand side. So you're going to write C dot false equal to S dot next. So now coming to the inherited attribute of S, that is next, you're going to write it before S. So here when you look at this, when you're writing semantic actions, we are not going to look at the left hand side. We're not going to write anything for the left hand side in this production rule. Only we care about the right hand side. So when we say S dot next here, it is actually referring to only the one which on the right hand side, which is S1. So before S1, we are going to write S1 dot next, which is nothing but the inherited attribute of S1, and it's going to take the value of S dot next as shown in the previous slide. S1 dot next is S dot next. Now we are looking at the synthesized attribute. So now there is one synthesized attribute in this particular rules, that is S dot code. So that one is going to be written at the end of the right hand side. So all synthesized attributes should be written after the entire production is being given. So as you see in this production rule, on the right hand side at the end over here, you're going to write down the synthesized attributes. Over here, the synthesized attribute is going to have these values. So you're going to take it and write it over here like this. And that's it for today. Thank you. Bye bye.